Hi, Shirley. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, no, that's okay. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Fantastic. Pretty well. Pretty well. Today is it is a very interesting day because uh, although the climate report had said that it would rain in Santa Cruz, it didn't rain actually. Although the skies were like suggesting it would rain because all of them were super black, and with that particular landscape you look at when storms approaching. Nonetheless, as I say, it didn't rain for some reason, and that only happens in Santa Cruz. I guess that although everything seems to be indicating that it will rain, it doesn't rain, or it just rains at some points, right, across the city, but not everywhere. Very interesting. I don't know. I just find it to be super ironic, super funny. But apart from that, very good, usually. What about you?
Today, this is weird. Probably this is similar to Cochabamba because this is sunny but a little cold. Yeah,
Yes. Hmm?
yeah,
Sunny
this
but
is
cold, you say?
yeah. It's sunny,
Yes.
but you can feel it cold, but a little, but no, it's too much. This is
All
better.
right.
Today is better than yesterday.
Yes, better. Well, very good. Yeah, certainly. Sometimes happens. Um, yeah, but yeah, you're right. You're very right. Could you give me 1 minute? I want to shut down here my door because it's bothering me. Could you 1 minute?
Yeah, that's okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, now thank you very much. I'm so sorry. So yes, as I was mentioning, today I had planned a class, as this is our last class. I have planned something to have fun, but also to continue with our advancement, right? So let me here share my screen with you, okay? And well, as it is our last class, I have a gift for you. For a second, here I have it. So I want to send to you, all right, um, material that you can use in order to practice for a TOEFL exam, all right? I'm sending you a lot of material that I have gathered throughout all this time as a teacher. And I wanted to send it to you because I know that, well, although of course we have not been preparing directly for a TOEFL exam, but we have been learning English as well. Anyways, when you want to practice for a TOEFL exam, there are some materials that of course will be useful, right? So there you have it. Here are some PDFs that contain websites, YouTube channels, as I say, resources that I have gathered. And well, you can use them whenever you want in order to practice, all right? For all the sections, for the speaking, for the reading, for the writing, for the listening, and I hope that it's going to be super helpful, okay, for you, dear Shirley.
Thank you. In this way, on this way, there are something specific for feedback in writing.
Could you repeat the question, please, dear Shirley?
Usually when you in this week or different to week in TOEFL don't have the feedback or for the writing section.
Yes. Yeah, they don't normally have. Of course, as well for the speaking section, because those are sections that somebody has to tell you, right, if you're doing right or wrong. So normally, when you want to have somebody telling you if that is wrong or right, there are some websites that are, of course, paid. Like even in Magush, like the website that I use for the simulator, if you pay, I don't know how much, but there are some people who of course review it and they give you feedback. But yeah, like for the speaking and for the writing, the only thing you have without paying money will be just practice by yourself, and of course to see some examples in internet on the internet. All right. Okay, my pleasure. So I hope you use this, okay, whenever you want to practice by yourself. There you are. So that was the first thing. Now, so as it is our last class, I was thinking that we should play a little bit, and I was thinking, what could we play together? Well, and I thought if Truly is professional in chemistry, and she's actually right now having some courses on one of the best universities of the world with regard to chemistry and health and stuff like that. I thought, well, why shouldn't we play something on quizzes related to chemistry? So I found all these quizzes that are about basic chemistry. So let us see how much you remind of that. This is not about grammar anymore. It's just a quiz, as I say, about basic chemistry. And we're gonna play together, okay? We're gonna be teammates in this case. We're gonna play together. But of course, you're gonna be the one helping me, because I don't remember almost anything from high school, because I've never seen chemistry again. But we're gonna try to do it, all right?
Okay.
Okay, let us see what we do. Here we have the first one, and let's go. This is it, right? Yeah, let's go. Oh, here. Let's go. Oh, no. What's wrong here? There are players. Oh, again. Here and here. Quizzes. And there you are. This is it. Come on. What's going on? But there are people. Where? Okay. Second idea. Quizzes. So what is the code? The code is this one. Okay. Shirley 78. And I hope that solves it. Okay. Come on, what's going wrong? Very weird. I'm gonna start it this way one more time. Classic. Okay. Let's try with this one. Okay. Come on. Okay. Now, let's go. Stop this. Okay, let's go. Okay. So what state of matter has both a definite shape and volume? Shirley, what is your guess here?
I don't sure for the shape. What means shape?
Which one? Solid?
Shape.
Oh, shape.
Sorry.
Forma. Shape is forma.
Solid. Fierce.
Right? Okay, very good. Very good. Let's see. Okay, let's continue. Number 2. What can you do to cake butter to cause a chemical change?
Okay, butter. I'm not sure for
Uh,
that, but I think this is for
yes,
Hawk, like Sophie's duck for here. The
yes,
force.
yes, I
Or
think so.
number
Let's say
4.
guess is number 4, heated, right? Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, we're right. To cake butter. Well, I guess it was okay. Why not? Let's use this. Bonus points too. No, thanks. Okay. So what state of matter has no definite shape or volume? Now notice this is different. The other one was which one had definite shape and volume. Now is asking us what state of matter has no definite shape or volume.
Gas.
All right. Very good. There you are. Yes. Okay. We're doing pretty well. Which of the following is not a state of matter? Liquid, mass, gas, and solid.
Mass.
Yes. I would also say mass. Okay, very good. Because mass is like a property, right, of matter, not a state of matter. Which activity below does not represent a chemical change? All right, I have no idea about this one. Ribbon and pear, ribbon and pear, decaying leaves, melting ice cubes, burning logs.
I don't shoot for the fear of the second. What mean ripening?
Madurar. Ripening is madurar. When a fruit, right, ripens, madura.
Y decaying leaf.
Decaying, well, I guess it is like leaves that fall down from the tree. When it is autumn, right? They fall down from the trees when they are yellow or brown. I guess it refers to that decaying leaves. So which one should we pick here?
Melting ice. Melting ice.
Okay, melting
Oh,
ice.
shade.
Very good. I will go for the second one, I guess, decaying leaves. But well,
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I mean, like, because chemical change in the sense that because when a leaf when a sheet of something, in this case a leaf, right, una hoja, falls down from the tree, what does that have to do with chemistry? Like I would say that it's physics, right? The movement of gravity attracting the leaf towards the ground. But I'm not sure. I mean, because
Yeah.
melting in ice, I would say like it has to do with this processes of solidification and things of that sort, right? When I was in high school, that is the only thing that I remember: solidification and things of that sort. But well, I'm not sure. So should we go for melting ice cubes, or for the other one, for the decaying leaves?
Okay, okay. That is similar in the melting ice for the burning. Okay.
Okay.
The
Yes.
second option. Yeah.
The second one. Okay.
The
Melting
other's
ice cubes.
right.
Well, I mean, you are a professional in this. I should have
Yeah.
gone for your option. I mean, okay. So for now on, I'm not gonna respond. You are the only one. Which of the following is a physical property of metals? So which of the following is a physical property of metals? I have no idea about this one.
What mean bendable?
Bendable means something that can be doblado, bending something, doblar. Exceed, shining. It's funny that it says all the above, but it should be all the ones that are beside, right? Because no question is above the red box. I guess all the above. I shouldn't say anything because I'm gonna get it wrong. But anyways, what do you think?
The first?
The first one, okay, conduct heat. In this case, it was all the above.
Necessary.
I mean, I guess because conduct heat, like metals conduct heat, and I know this just because of experience, right? Because when you leave your car, like out of your home, and it's sunny, normally it just gets hot, right? But anyways, an example of a gas is,
Carbon dioxide.
and here, this is yours.
Second option.
Okay, carbon. How do you say this, by the way? Dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Dioxide. Okay, dioxide. Yes, you're right. Carbon
Dioxide.
dioxide. Yes, I guess it's dioxide. It sounds better than dioxide. Dioxide sounds very good. So what about this one? The amount of matter in an object is its
Mass.
all right. Very good. Next one. Okay, let's continue. Everywhere in the universe, an object is the same. I guess this is more related to physics. I'm not sure.
Volume, yeah.
Volume, all right? All right, mass. I guess so. I'm not sure.
In every in the universe.
Yes. I mean, I guess, right? Well, not sure. Which is an example of a physical change? Burning a candle. I guess it's burning a candle. Baking a cake. Metal rusting. Evaporating water.
Evaporating water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Burning a candle.
Burning. What mean burning?
I guess it was just burning, like quemando, and they just committed a mistake there in the orthography. Burning, quemando una vena, or prendiendo, burning a candle. So which redemption question should we pick?
Fierce.
Okay, the first one. Everywhere in the universe and objects.
Okay, mass.
Math is the same. Very good. Very good. Okay, so which has failed too, actually. Very good. I think it was good. Well, considering that you have a terrible partner as me, you did very well, Shirley. You did very, very well. Okay.
Is more specific for chemist?
Yes.
Yeah. Probably the IT chemistry in my first year in university.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Well, I mean, as I say, like you had a terrible partner because I have no idea about chemistry. So you did very well considering that, as I say, you had a terrible partner as me. So anyways, very good. Let's go with one more. And then we're going to listen to a song, and then we're going to practice for the speaking section. Well, let's see this one. Initiating, all right, let's see. There you are, and it's here. Okay, 5. All right, let's go. The test, what is a particle? all right? I guess this is related to chemistry as well. What is a particle?
Force.
Which one?
Four.
The fourth one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
This experiments.
Yes, it was the third one. Oh. It's another version. It's okay. I guess it's more related to physics, this one, right? What is an electron cloud? Okay, no idea about this one. What is an electron cloud? The center of an atom. Water vapor in the sky that drops rain onto the earth. The location of electrons circling the nucleus of an atom. A gathering of people who want to vote. What the hell? Gathering of people who want to vote. Huh.
2 years. Yeah, I think that too.
The third one? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. There you are. Are these things really related to chemistry, truly, or would you say they are more, I don't know, related to physics?
This is given but this the part for the structure, the atom or particular.
Yes. All right. Very good. What about this one? What is the nucleus of an atom?
The center, the second option, center of atom.
Okay, very good. The center of an atom. That is what What is matter? Very interesting question. What is matter?
Force. Four.
The fourth one. There you are. Very good. Element. So it says that what is an element? All right. The total amount of matter in something, the location of electrons circling the nucleus of an atom, a material that cannot be split into simpler materials, or a simple substance like water or cotton. Any idea about this one?
Here's yellow. Probably.
The yellow one? Yes?
Yeah.
All right.
The material.
Very good. Material that cannot be split into simpler parts. All right. I didn't know that. Very interesting. Oh, thanks. What is an atomic number? I guess this is very easy for you. The number of neutrons in an atom, the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom, the number of electrons in an atom, or the number of protons in an atom.
Probably the second option. The proton, neutron.
Okay, the number of protons in an atom. Well,
Proton.
Very confusing anyway.
Yeah.
Yes. What is a neutron? Subatomic particle that has a positive electrical charge. Subatomic particle that has no electrical charge. The mass of an atom, or a subatomic particle that has a negative electrical charge.
I think that the four.
This one, the one that says a subatomic particle that has a negative electrical charge. This one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I don't know, but I probably that's Yeah, that's me.
I'm not sure why,
My
but in this
answer.
case, I would go for the second one, the atomic particle that has no electrical charge, because neutron, it reminds me of that the word neutral, like something that has no particular position, let's say neutral, and neutron sounds to me at least like something that has no electrical charge. But anyways, I mean, you are cool here. In this case, it was the second one. But I mean, it is not because I know chemistry, it's just because I related the word neutral with neutron, because they sound very similar, right? Neutron with neutral. So just, well, I guess it was luck. So what is an electron? What America?
What?
When I look at the first option, what America uses to choose its president. Very interesting. Need church. Tell me. Mhm.
Sure, for the second or third option. Yeah.
Right. I would say in this case, I would go for the second one. I don't know why. I mean, I like the color green more than I like the color yellow. So I would go for the second one. So yeah, shall we go for the second one, or shall we proceed with the third one?
The tears.
Right, the third one.
Sure.
There you are. That's the reason why you are the professional here. Very good. Redemption question. All right. Which one?
Second option.
Okay. What is a particle?
A very small space and something. The second.
Okay. Second one. There you are. Okay. I think that we should stop it here so that we can continue with our program. Yeah, we did it very well, I guess. As I say, many of the questions you failed, it was because of me. It wasn't because of you. Because I decided to choose the incorrect answers. Okay, very good. So let us now continue with the class. And the second thing that I had planned, well, the third one actually, is listening to a song, as we used to do as well in the past, and try to learn some English out of that. Do you have something on mind? Have you been listening to a song lately?
No.
Yes? No songs?
I don't have a song for the moment. I don't remember. What?
I don't know. Have you been, for example, in the laboratory when you are working, they never put music?
No.
No? Oh, what a boring people they are, right? But anything?
I think this is some I remember scientific what
Mm-hmm.
is the band? This is in this moment this is every there are different concert. And let me look.
Oh, Coldplay. You guys? I mean,
Corporate, yeah.
yes. So, what song by Coldplay?
There's the scientist
The Scientist.
scientist.
Yeah, the Scientist. Right? The Scientist. Coldplay lyrics. Let's go. And we're gonna open our last Google document here to look for some words to include here. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna open this. Increase this. All right. Yes, you're right when you say that this band has been delivering a lot of concerts, especially in South America, very recently, because I have a friend that was visiting Chile, and because Coldplay was also, as I say, presenting a concert in that country the same week she was present there, she decided to go, and she says that it was fantastic. You're right; they are very nearby here, but they never come to Bolivia, anyways, right?
Yeah.
Very sadly. All right. Scientist by Coldplay. Coldplay. All right, let's listen to it. So you know what to do. Whenever you listen to a word that you don't understand or something that you would like me to comment upon, tell me, all right?
If you want to ace your paper, download Grammarly. Are you?
All right, let's see. This is too. This is not good quality. Let's go for another one. This one seems better. All right.
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart.
What I like about this version is that it has the subtitles right below.
Come up to
There you are.
meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart.
For example, here, something that, at least to me, it is certainly appealing is in the first line of the song, it says, come up to meet you, right? And if you remember, this is a very good example of phrasal verb. Do you remember when we were deciding phrasal verbs? And come up here, of course, means, simply vine, right? But nonetheless, here they are combining the verb come with up. And it's like, subí a estar contigo, right? Come up to meet you, right? But it is a phrasal verb that anyways refers to vine, but in the sense of vine subiendo, right? Come up to meet you, right? You get it?
Yeah. Subir, como surgir, algo así.
Exactly.
Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Now let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming in tails, heads on the sides apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. was just guessing at numbers and figures.
Adivinando, ¿no?
Yes, exactly. I
Yeah,
was just
okay.
guessing. Yes. Adivinando. Like the lyrics, I had never paid attention to the lyrics of this song. Of course, I had listened to it, but nonetheless, and to this point at least, I don't figure out what the word or what the song means, in the sense that I don't understand why he refers to science very much, because what does science have to do with love? But I guess that I'm gonna discover it. Let's continue.
Pulling your puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress did not speak as loud as my heart. Tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing tails, coming back as we
What mean?
are.
How? How? Oh,
Which one?
The second line is
Hunt
me.
me. Oh, hunt me.
Me.
Hunt. It means cazar, like hunting animals, hunting, I don't know, bulls, or hunting birds. Hunting means cazar. Yeah, very good. Let's include that one to the. And there was another word, right? It was guessing or guess. Adivinar. We have a hunt. That is cazar, in the sense of hunting animals, right? The pronunciation is hunt.
The words they have another meaning. Like das ist como like huésped.
Guess. Oh,
Yeah.
that would be guest, like this.
Gee. That is so similar.
Exactly. Yeah, very similar. You're right. Invitado. You're gonna write. Here is like
Nice.
guess. Here's just guest. As you say, yes, as you say, is tremendously similar. I would say it's almost identical. There you are. Guess and guest. Right? The T sound at the end of the word, guest. Yeah, fantastic. So as you can see, these are the words: hunt, cazar, hunting, and of course here is using the word in a metaphorical sense, right? Not in the sense of hunting, actually hunting him, right? But
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
yes, exactly, in a metaphorical sense. All right, let's see. Let's continue. The song is a little bit repetitive, right? At least in my opinion to this point. It's like it's always the same melody. Na 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 na. Like I'm not sure. It's not that appealing to me, at least right now. Let's continue.
Chasing tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.
Oh, it's getting better. Well, I guess it's like that. That is all it's on. because there are no more lyrics. Interesting. So what do you think about the song? Did you understand like what is the song all about? Do you understand that I don't know, transcendental topic the song is talking about, or do you get it? I mean, because personally I don't get it. Like I don't understand the song very much.
I don't know exactly, but I think they refer for the specific thing or the specific for light. The light is noisy. Do you need to back to the start?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean,
probably
yes.
this is.
The lyrics said that, but I mean, like the song as a whole, like why is the song called The Scientist? Because as far as I read, the word scientist never appears, right, on the song. I think science, yes, and as I told you, there are some references to science because it talks about some, I don't know, elements and things of that sort. But I mean, why is the song called The Scientist? That is what I don't understand. Do you have any idea, any theory?
I don't sure for that, but probably when they need the advanced design, that is the word specific for the scientist.
Okay.
Um,
Yes, you're right. Well, the song is very good. I mean, of course, it's super catchy, right? There was a part that talked about science specifically. Okay, here. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, he says, right? Pulling the puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress. Do not speak as loud as my heart. I guess, I mean, when he says this line, questions of science, science and progress, do not speak as loud as my heart. What I interpret from this phrase is that he says, although like he has been trying to be rational and just trying to, I don't know, to solve puzzles and to be like super scientific and things of that sort, like that doesn't affect him as much as his heart. That is to say that although he has been trying to avoid a person, or I don't know, the person he loves or something, it's like his heart doesn't allow him to take rational decisions, because that is what I understand when he says questions of science, science and progress do not speak as loud as my heart. Like they are not as compelling as my heart that tells me to do something that is not scientific, but nonetheless. Do you think that makes sense? What do you think about my theory?
he is the scientist because probably they need the answer and they need looking for the answer. So
Okay.
he doing the sign and he need the progress. That's for that's a line. I think that's for the.
All right. Yes. I'm not sure. Probably you're right, because as I said, I had never paid attention to this song. I just listened to it and listen, but I never paid attention. All right. Very good. So before we we finish, let us practice some questions. Okay, if you're with me here, so you can, of course, not forget what we have been practicing. All right. So bring your piece of paper nearby you and also pencil, and we are going to start. Okay. Let's see. No, come on. Just remain in my memory. Okay.
Okay.
All right, fantastic. Let us start it. So this is going to be the first question. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm going to read. Remember that you can read faster than me, and you can start to prepare your response without me telling you to do so, right? So let's start. Do you prefer to live in a desert climate with little rain, or do you believe that living in a more humid climate with abundant rain is more preferable? Illustrate your argument with reasons and supporting details. There you are. So please, here, Shirley, start preparing your response now. Okay, there you are. Now please start responding to the question now.
With regard to the topic, I prefer the weather is humid and abundant rain. Because of the following reason, the first reason is in this area of this weather is the clean air. So when for example, in my city, that's assuming, and we can see the many trees and the air is so clean. The second reason, I think the environment is better. For example, I don't like example, sorry.
Right, very good. You know, for example, here, something that one of my
the same.
colleagues does. Yes, I
Yeah.
mean, something that one of my colleagues does is that when we were practicing for this together, when he didn't have examples or illustrations for the second argument, he returned back to the first one and used it in another context for a second illustration. For example, here you could have come back to the first illustration and say one more time, well, in my city, I love to live in this humid weather because I have the opportunity to, I don't know, to go and take pictures with a rainy weather or something like that, right? So maybe you could have done that to come back to the first illustration and to use it in another context, right? So maybe that is a technique that you could apply at some point, okay?
Okay.
But whenever you don't have a second illustration, I mean, because obviously it's always preferable to offer a second illustration that is new and of course innovative, right? But nonetheless, when you don't have any second illustration, you can return to the first one and use it in a different context, right? Very good. Let's go with one more. Okay, let's see this one. Do you prefer, en la pista, do you prefer to run or to walk when you exercise? Illustrate your argument with reasons with supporting details. Okay. So please now, dear Shirley, start prepare your response now. There you are. Okay, dear Shirley, so please now start responding to the question now.
I prefer the war in the exercise because of the following reason. The first reason is that you have more time for resistance. For example, when I exercise, when I go to the park, I prefer a wall and they have more time, 1 hour, 2 hour in the park. And the second argument, this is the formula that you're feeling more healthy. And for example, my father, he walk every day 30 minutes for your health.
Okay, fantastic, very good.
Yes.
Health.
Yes.
I mean, healthy. You get. I guess you meant healthy.
Does it healthy? For saludable, healthy.
Like this. Let me show you. It's
Okay.
healthy. And how you pronounce this? Saludable. And you pronounce this like healthy, like this. Healthy. You remember this sound?
That's
Yeah, thi. Yes, this sound that I talked to you about, like th, like the F, but the other way around. Th. Healthy.
healthy.
Exactly. Yes, healthy. As you
Healthy.
did it. Healthy.
Healthy.
Yes, very good. Healthy. Very good. Healthy.
Okay.
That's it.
Thank you. Healthy.
Yes.
Yeah,
No. A
that's
pleasure. Okay, let's go with some more. Okay, what about this one? copy, and here you have it for you, Shirley. In this case, it says, explain whether you agree or disagree with the following statement. Then give specific details in your argument. The age for drivers should be changed to 21 years of age. There you are. So please now, dear Shirley, start deciding your response for this question now. Fantastic. So please now, dear Shirley, start responding to the question now.
With regard to the topic, I am in agreement for the age for the guy is 21 because of the following reason. The first reason is that you have more responsibility for the consequence. For example, my brother, when they had a car, he was an accident and they need to pay for the damage in the another car. And the second reason, this is in this moment you are more independent. So, for example, my cousin in this moment, they need to pay. Okay, time.
Very good, very good. All right, very good. But anyways, it was a very good argument. The first one that you mentioned that you have, I don't know, that you are more responsible, and therefore, of course, you can make yourself responsible of certain problems or difficulties that could happen, right? Whenever you are, let's say, of course, having an accident. Very good, very good. It was very ingenious. Okay, so I think that we're going to stop here. Nonetheless, as you can see, well, I have sent this to you as well so that you can practice by yourself, also the chronometer. And let me just save this so that I can send it to you. I'm gonna highlight it. It was like a light way. And assign this. No, better to name it October 6th. 6th. There you are. And let me download. There we are. So this way, here you have it. This way we will be then ending our classes. Well, I've always been very bad to say goodbye. But I know anyways that we're gonna continue getting in touch with each other, especially because I want to know how it goes. Your paper they're going to publish in a very short time, right? That you talked to me about. You are applying for that, and I really want to read it. Okay? I'm very interested about your research work. Okay, so well, I hope you enjoyed this material that is going to be very useful for you, and also there the document. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm going to take your assistance. Okay, please help me with the last poll. They're going to fill for me, usually. So there you are with the poll. Do you have any question, any commentary, something that you would like to say?
Question for this moment.
Okay. All right, thank you very much, dear Shirley. Okay, so as I say, it has been an enormous pleasure, dear Shirley, to have met you. I am very much honored to have the opportunity, well, to have had the opportunity to teach you a little bit. Knowing somebody who is, well, representing my country in such an important place for me is an honor. So as I say, I'm going to be looking forward to read your essay or your paper whenever you publish it. And well, here you have a friend. Whenever you want me to help you with something, anything that I can do for you, please send me a message. Okay, you have my WhatsApp there, so get in touch with me for anything that I can help you with. All right. So as I say, thank you very much for your company during all these weeks. It has been an enormous pleasure, and thank you very much. Right, and please feel free to as I say, get in touch with me whenever you want. All right?
Thank you. Thank you. I remember I had a question, but this is
Mhm.
do you
Yes, tell me.
I need a translator the specific document in my university. So
Mhm.
do you know they are there in Santa Cruz for traductor officially
Mhm. Yes.
or certificado? Do you know something?
Yes, in the CVA, there is a service because there is an office that it is specifically designed for that. That is called Education USA. So whenever you want to translate something, if the paper is here in Santa Cruz, tell somebody of your family to go to the CVA and ask for, as I say, Education USA. I'm gonna write it here in the chat box. The name of the office is Education USA. So if you want to translate something, they offer that service, and of course they have their certified translators. So of course, the translation is going to be valid in this country and also in the US. All right. So if you want to translate here in Santa Cruz, that is the place
Perfect.
in the CBA.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No, my pleasure. It's quite a pleasure. Okay, Shirley. So thank you very much. And as I say, we're going to be talking, all right, through WhatsApp.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you later.